what's up guys? Today we have my CRF 250F. We got this lame exhaust on her. She sounds like Tesla right now. So we need to get her beefed up with this Pro Circuit sick exhaust. So we're going to do before and after video.
That's the T6, right?
Yes, sir, it is.
Yep.
And let's start her up. Now just wait for the after. It's going to be even better. And if you guys want the new merch, just let me know.
How's the process going, Caden?
You know, just working on her. Taking this off. Caleb's got the header. Greasy.
Pretty good. Sure, it's taking a while.
I know. It's all a 12 though, so it's pretty sweet.
Nice job, bud.
We're making her work.
Getting her whipped.
Oh yeah. Getting her done. You. All right, you guys ready? Here we go. Front sprocket is completely rounded. It's pretty clapped. But I ordered new ones through Spokane Power Sports, so shout out to Spokane Power Sports. This video would not be possible without them. So super thanks to you guys. And you guys are the
you know
best.
they do have Amazon, right?
You know what? This is better. Let's get it. Hey! Oh, heck yeah. Alright, so we already know this is clapped, so yeah. All right, what's up, guys? Thanks for watching the channel, and this is a super fun video. Please like and subscribe. And one more time, thank you, Spokane Power Sports, for making this video possible and getting me this sweet exhaust on my bike. She's sweet. We'll might be going to 7 Mile next weekend, so we'll get some videos for screaming up the hills. Right now we got a lot of snow outside, so, and my sprocket's like destroyed. So just thank you so much, guys. This was super fun, and yeah, this is sick, guys. So thank you, and this is so sweet. We'll get some videos of us riding it, and let me know anything you want me to do. My Instagram will be right there. Just text me anything you want to see us do, and we'll do it. 500 subscribers, we got the snowboard giveaway, so let's get it, guys. Okay, right now, tell me, guys, which pipe do you like the most out of all three of our bikes? So we got mine, and then we're coming over here to Caleb's bike, and we got the FMF, and then we're coming over to Kyle's two-stroke, and he's got the FMF Power Core 2. Oh yeah, we gotta get the FMF on the King Quad. This thing's literally the full-on unit. If you guys don't like this, you're a liberal. So, look at that. That thing's sick. Yeah.